Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find Steve's lost coins in Fish It game on Roblox latest update. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to visit the lost aisle and then you're going to go to this area guys and make sure that you have already talked to this NPC, the Scuba Steve. And then after you talk to this NPC, you will find the quest or the mission, which is called the Steve's Lost Coins. So you need to find the missing stacks of coins and return the coins to Scuba Steve. And guys, I'm going to show you the location to find the stack of coins. Okay, for the first location is right here, nearby the statue. And then you just need to search the stack of the coins around the map, guys. Okay, it's right here. And then right here as well, nearby the treasure room. Okay, pick up the coins. And then the next one, go to this area and search right here. Okay, and you need to pay attention carefully to the coins so you won't miss it. And then guys, after you find all the coins, you need to go back to the Scuba Steve and then you can return the coins. Okay guys, and that's how you can find the lost coins in Fish It. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.